Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is what is personality? Ladies and gentlemen, we all know the simple definition of personality. These are the attributes of an individual. The attributes of an individual define his personality. What type of person you are, it entirely depends on what are your specific attributes, and that clearly defines that what type of personality you are. Now, there are certain basic parameters on the basis of which we can explain personality in a better way, and today I am going to discuss with you all those important parameters. Let me show you a specific list, ladies and gentlemen. Just have a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. I have prepared this list. At the top we have personality, and the first trait of personality is freedom. Why freedom? The very first requirement of developing a good personality is you must have freedom to think on your own. You must have freedom to decide your own path. If you are able to think freely, only then you will be able to develop your good personality. If you are getting monitored by other people all the time, believe me, you will never be able to develop a good personality. Now the second point says it is behavior. What is your behavior towards other people? Straight away, ladies and gentlemen, this is the best part of a human being's personality, behavior. How you actually behave with other people, that decides what type of personality you are, or whether you are having good personality traits or not. Your behavior towards other people should always be polite. It should always be polite. It should always be friendly. If you want to develop a good personality, people with great personality, they never misbehave with other people. They never talk rudely to other people. Now see, the third point is peculiarity. What is peculiarity? It means you must be very peculiar about certain things in your life. You must be very much straightforward and highly principled towards certain things in your life. Now, I will give a very basic example, and that basic example is, suppose smoking. You are very peculiar about you will never smoke. Why? Because it is a great health hazard. That's why you are not going to smoke. Now, there are so many other peculiar things which may be the part of your personality. There may be many other such things on the grounds of discipline which you must have in your personality. Now next is PMM quality. PMM stands for physical, mental and moral quality. Physical, mental and moral quality. By physical quality we mean to say that you must be physically fit. If you want to develop a good personality, the very first thing that you require is you need to be physically fit. Only then you will look good. That's the prime requirement. Second is mental quality. Every time you do your task, you try to do it perfectly. Try to use your brain in the most innovative and in the most creative way to develop your good reputation in society. That is known as mental quality. Now second M says moral quality. What is moral quality? Moral quality is you must be ethically perfect. You must have some ethical standards, and you should never do anything that is against moral values and your specific ethics. If you go against ethics, if you go against morals, you are not a good personality in any way, ladies and gentlemen. Next point is adaptability. Adaptability means you must have the quality of adjusting yourself according to your environment. Now, this is the prime quality of a thorough gentleman, ladies and gentlemen. You must have this ability of adjusting yourself, your personality, according to the environment. If you are not able to adjust your personality according to environment, you are not a stable person, and straight away, this is the reality of life. If you are not able to adjust yourself according to the environment, straight away you are not a stable person. Next is psychology. Psychology means your specific way of thinking. How you actually look towards the things, how you actually see the things around you. What is your own specific perception about whatever you are experiencing in your life? If that perception is positive, definitely you are a positive personality. You will always do positive things in your life. And if that perception is negative, definitely you are going to do wrong things in life, negative things in life, and further creating problem for yourself as well as for the people with whom you are coming in contact. And the last point is habit. The most crucial thing, ladies and gentlemen, habit. Habit is your day-to-day behavior, how you actually behave in your daily life, how you actually perform your official task, how you perform your non-official task. What other things you do in your life except your official and non-official tasks? What are your basic human habits? That defines what type of personality you are. And if the habits are bad, definitely you are a bad personality. If the habits are good, you are a genuine personality. If the habits are bad, you are definitely a bad personality. Now, please have a look, ladies and gentlemen, in a nutshell. Freedom, behavior, peculiarity, then physical, mental, and moral quality, adaptability, psychology, and habit. So these are the personality traits of an individual. These are the personality traits which define an individual, that what type of person he is. What is his behavior? What is his attitude towards different things that he is experiencing in his life? These are the different personality traits which define that what type of person you are. So, if you want to develop your good personality, you must thoroughly concentrate on all these crucial aspects. You should try to develop good qualities in your personality, and you should always try to get rid of bad qualities. Ladies and gentlemen, personal improvement. Personal improvement is the most effective sentence in this world. Personal improvement. In order to develop your personality, only one thing is required, and that is personal improvement. Try to analyze your own personality traits, and wherever you think the things are going wrong, wherever you think you are not performing well, try to work on that particular skill. Give it an extra time. Give it more time than other personality traits of yours, and try to be an overall good human being. That is the hallmark of a true professional. That is the hallmark of a true human being. Try to develop your positive traits and try to get rid of your negative traits that are defaming you in society and overall in your own specific organization where you are working. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.